Hey guys, look at these amazing do-it-yourself epoxy projects. We show you how to transform any surface into a stunning work of functional art. This is Stone Coat Countertop epoxy, and the possibilities are limitless. Whether you're a woodworker or artist, or you're trying to go over your old existing countertops, we can show you how to take epoxy and make a brand new space with stunning results. We have many different videos that'll show you all the different looks, styles, and colors that you can achieve just by following the simple step-by-step process. Our materials are heat resistant, scratch resistant, they have zero VOCs, they're eco-friendly, they're easy to work with, they're DIY friendly, and they're amazing. Many folks have never worked with epoxy before. They look at our YouTube channels, they pick a style, and they have a great time. You won't believe some of their very first results. Folks love the fact that you can take an old space, renew it with Stone Coat Countertop epoxy, and save thousands. Our epoxy is not flammable, there's no noxious smell, it's easy to work with, and you have a long open time so you can take your time to get that look that you're going for. Our products are so simple to use, even a youth group can have an excellent time and create stunning results. You got it! Simply pick a color palette, choose some additives, and it's great what you can create. We love helping folks with free project support. Be sure to call anytime. We're happy to walk you through the step-by-step process of your particular project. Whether you're going over old laminate, old countertops, a new construction project, or anything in between, we can help you with that. Using simple tools and our simple process, you can get extraordinary results. Right from our YouTube channel, you can learn about all these projects, including our floor epoxy. Look at the stunning results you can get using our floor products. Have fun planning your next project, and remember, you got this. Visit stonecoatcountertops.com anytime to see all the products we use in these projects. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.